morning all, it's Sarah here, founder of Cogito Wealth. I'm in my car this morning because I'm about to go to the dentist, and I really wanted to talk to you a little bit about investor days. I've had a few questions about this recently, and people seeing that I run investor days, but then asking me why I run them, what they are for, how they work and stuff like that. So I thought I would give you some time to explain what they are, why I run them, and what they do. So as the name would suggest, an investor open day. It is an opportunity for potential clients to come to our offices, to meet me, to meet the team, to see our environment of working, to see what we're all about, to get a vibe for the culture of the business and really understand who it is that they are considering working with. I'm definitely a believer that in order to do business at the levels that we do it at, where we're talking hundreds of thousands of pounds, millions of pounds worth of investment, actually the best way to build relationships is to be in a room with someone and actually connect with them on a human to human level. I actually think that this is important at every level as well. So back when I was raising 10,000, 50,000, 100,000, I think that the effort and the time that I put into building those relationships is the thing that stood us apart from everybody else who were just trying to do it in DMs. Now, you can absolutely raise money on social media, right? Social selling is totally a thing. But I find when you are trying to raise money or build relationships with someone to do a joint venture with you in property specifically, actually getting in a room with them, connection at a human level is far more powerful than any DM could ever be. So that's why I do them. It's to build better relationships faster in a more reinforced way. The other reason why we do them is, if I'm really honest, it's an opportunity for us to brag a little bit. You know, our investors want to know what it is we've done before. They want to know our track record. They want to see our credibility. They want to understand it. And they want an opportunity to be able to ask us questions and really drill into the detail. You know, our development company is very much focused around building sustainable homes. We've got a target to build 500 sustainable homes in the next 8 years as a development business. And we can't do that without our investors. Okay, but our investors need to understand why we want to go down the sustainable route, and also why that matters to them. And being able to explain that in person and show them on slides and show them in videos and things like that, exactly why we're a good place to invest, is a really powerful way, again, of building that relationship and helping them to understand why we're a great place for them to invest. The other reasons why an open day really work are because you have more than one person in a room at the same time. So there's an opportunity for you to do one-to-many in terms of your conversation, right? Actually, if you have a one-to-one Zoom call, as you'll all know from the last couple of years, is really time intrusive. You spend 1 hour and then another hour, then another hour, then another hour. All of a sudden your day's gone and you've had no time to actually do your job in finding deals or the admin or anything. So by doing an open day or an open evening, you have multiple investors with you all at the same time. They can all connect with each other. So there's a great networking opportunity there as well. But it means that you can say your information once and get it to multiple people in a different way than what you can online. Again, online visibility right now is a real struggle with things like the social media algorithms and stuff like that. So actually what you put online isn't seen by everybody. Whereas when you have someone in a room, they can't not hear it, right? They might not remember it, they may not connect with it, but they can't not hear it. They're there in the room listening. So I find that investor open days are one of the most powerful ways that to raise money, to find joint venture relationships or partnerships that you can help to grow your business or can help you to grow your business. But also it's a really good way of you getting very slick at explaining what it is you do, who you do it for, who you help, why you do it, what it is your vision is, what your mission is as a business. The better you are at presenting your vision for what you want to see happen in the future, the more likely you'll bring people along that journey with you. So if you're struggling right now to raise money, if you're struggling right now to find joint venture partners, if you're just struggling with being able to concisely explain what you do, then I chuck out a challenge to you. Hold an investor day. You know, some of you may not have offices. That's fine. Don't let that be a problem. If you've got the budget, hire a space, hire a room. If you don't have a budget to hire a room, look at places that will let you use space for a donation. There's lots of like community centres and things like that. You could even just do it in Starbucks with a handful of people and just ask them to tee you off a section. I know that I was in Harvester once and I asked them if I could like cordon off a section for a meeting, and they said yes. They didn't charge me anything as long as I spent coffee, and that was fine. And I brought along my my presentation slides. I printed them out so that I could go through them and they could see them. I didn't have a screen. There's loads of different ways that you can do this. Don't let not having an office get in your way. Don't let not having a massive data list get in your way, because you can build an investor list very easily. We're doing a 3-day challenge next week, actually, to help you to build those investor lists. Anybody who wants that, drop me a message and I can get you the link to that. There's no reason at all why everybody can't do an investor open day. It will be confidence. It will be your knowing what to say and how to say it that will be the challenge. So if I can help you with any of that, put in the comments, let me help you, because I want to encourage as many of you as I can to go out and actually really nail this as a piece of your marketing and fundraising strategy. It works really well. Not many people are doing it. It will help you stand out from your competitors, and I think you'll have a load of fun as well. And your confidence, when someone commits to investing in you, your confidence will take a bit of a boost, your ego will take a bit of a boost, and you'll smile, and you can also get on with your deals. So let me know if you've got any questions, put it in the comments and I'll happily answer them for you.